Shubor nakaslem jong udongsan hima.
Kani husu kalabu yak jingdawa na sekolah ba Northeastern Hill University. Hakabayade baga jing penyahap yak rukompen bentah ke kerdan puli lani ke grading system kat kum kiwei pat ki jaka puli ki bahe ki bahapo kari. Kani husu mentah kesini kan riu terik unai luar arajar apulai kalami syakmat aringkat ki samna puli yak jing bam nong khut yak rukompen bentah ke kerdan puli namar kani ke bu jing e ki kena bad bakini ki kena puli ki di banyo e ki marks ki bakut hak ki jing e kop baper. Haka joko por kani husu kala dawaru ba ketika skol ba kadi ban sange shwai ke jimpen mi ka result jaka second semester tak dadu dalam pentrai kami ke grading system ke bathamai bat ban pet biang ya ke result ke bala depen mi jaki wei ke semester tak kom ke grading system nak yang wei no hikai ba mi khmat yo vice chancellor ke skol ba ni hu ulapan pa ba kino hikai kin saya syong ban ya kran halor ketika benta namar kenom la man shim hi ya ka rai shu lo ma kino hikai kim long persha ya ke e bagi samla pudi ki kwa Komta ki samla puli ki haban aipor ki bikin puli bnia yang ketika jing dawa jong ki namar ki haban pet la ka University Grants Commission kali ni yang ketika rukom pen bentai ki kerdan balada kamle an haban le pat de ki wei ki lat ba ki wei pat ki skol ba ki priang.
We shall fight for fairer grades and dignity. We shall fight with profound solidarity. We shall fight, we shall win. I'm marching for our dignity. We shall fight, we shall win. For fairer grades and unity. We shall fight, we shall win. Against this grave brutality. We shall fight, we shall win. Against this grave brutality. We shall fight, we shall win. Against this toxic dignity. We shall fight, we shall win. Systematically puts students at a significant disadvantage. It is with the concern that NEHUSU demands an amendment of the current grading system under concern. Students of NEHU must receive just marks so as to get a fair footing while competing in various fields, be it academic or concerning employment opportunities. So NEHUSU demands for the students of this university implementation of the relative grading system with immediate effect, withholding of second semester results until the implementation of the relative grading system. Yes. Revision of the results of previous semesters of the current batch in accordance with the relative grading system. Yes. As per UGC guidelines, the implementation of relative grading system in universities across the country is clearly recognized. Relative grading system is recommended by AICTE in its document titled Best Practices in AICTE Approved Institutions to ensure efficient and effective practices for students' academic grade moderation. NEHUSU's demands are well within the framework of higher education's governing bodies. Hence, the implementation of the above mentioned demands can be carried out smoothly as it is not in conflict with prescribed guidelines under concern. Object of NEHU Act 1973 states that the object of the university shall be to pay special attention to the improvement of social and economic conditions and welfare of the people of of the hill areas of northeastern region, and in particular their intellectual, academic and cultural advancement. Unfortunately, the current grading system of the university is impeding the academic and career growth of the students. Hence, it is in direct contradiction with the basic tenets upon which this university was founded. Hence, it is necessary for us to stand up, unite and fight to save the tenets Nehru stood for. Thank you.
How many teachers we need teachers, and he's busy, and I think it will be over in this week only. So I'm only speaking on his behalf as the senior most professor, and you are all my students, and we are all concerned about whatever you have said. It's not that we are not against what you are saying, but there are issues that we need to look at. I have read the memorandum that you have given. One issue is that you want the relative grading system, which is in practice perhaps in the very few institutions, AICT or maybe IIT and IIM. We are not very familiar with it if it is done by UGC affiliated universities. Fair enough, if you have many such instances, you have to give us little time to study and see if this is feasible. We'll certainly do it. If it is not done by UGC, then we have to find out, we have to even consult other universities because we can't do it on our own. That's the main issue. It's not that we are against it, but it has to be done in a manner that is acceptable to all other universities. So we haven't got enough time actually to study and then give you a proper response. We will receive your memorandum, we will consider it strategically, and we will certainly make some serious study about it, contact other universities in the northeast and outside, how they are doing it, what are the complexities, and we will also be in touch with UGC if this is feasible. Then we will certainly consider all these demands, but be assured that we are not against it. If this is feasible and acceptable to all parties involved, for that we need a little time. We came to know only this last evening.
Okay, so discuss on this on relative grading system.
Very difficult to do it right now.
No, we're not asking to do right now. You give an in written that you will do it, or else we won't do it. We just need your promise.
So only one semester.
No. Why? There are 2 semesters still left, and 1 semester the results are not yet out. So it's not. Or it is coming down as a grade because the change in the scale.
Sir, firstly, we would like the administration and Nehru faculty to apologize to students for the distress you have caused them with an exceptionally low grading system in all departments. Firstly. Secondly, it is not just the grading, its percentage as well as grade have become incredibly low this time. So first we need apologies from the administration and teachers to the students for causing them distress and anxiety.
And also this type of issue, we don't have to come out so that you understand you as your position. You have to understand for the students, sir.
We are trying to understand. We are trying to understand. Once you have brought it to our notice, we'll certainly go into it and see how much difference is taking place compared to the earlier system and the present system. If there has been a generally low marks, for which do you think that it's deliberate? I don't think any teacher would ever give deliberately low marks. It could be that the change in the grading system has made some difference. We would like to examine that. If that actually has made a difference, then we'll come back to you saying this is what has happened and some corrective can be done. But if it doesn't, it hasn't changed, only the grading 10-point scale has made a difference, then this is a different issue that we can discuss.
Assuring from Nehru administration, we have set for demand graph also They give us an assurance they will do everything, but nothing has been done. So we are here to ask you in written. You give us in written, or else we won't move from here. We have to take an step to give an hunger strike also. We give.
Don't do all these things. You are a first.
Yes, please understand us.
We would like you to sit here or
Do you want in writing?
Yes!